Hey everyone, happy late Easter. So today I don't know what I'm gonna play, but I know what I'm gonna play now because obviously I can see it right there. Guys, if you're wondering, is this your first time playing Brookhaven? No. I actually played Brookhaven before. And I know there's an Easter update. I actually did those Easter haunts things, and I know Royal High has a new update. No, haven't been uploading, but it was spring break, so I also got jelly beans and candy, and I also got those big Easter eggs. I got a lot of candy yesterday, and the day before yesterday. So, guys, as you can see, happy Easter. I completed easy, medium, hard. I already completed that, and I didn't do extreme. It was really hard, but also easy. Oh my gosh, sorry, I'm chewing candy. So yeah, I can have this. Basically, guys, it's an egg. This is a small egg, big egg. You know. So let's go ahead and get to this video. I'm basically just going to be role playing by myself. No one's going to be coming at my door. I'm going to be finding a house. This is a Spanish server. I know how to say hola in Spanish. It's like this. No, not right. Hola. I'm gonna how to say hello. What? What is this? No, I'm not looking for a video. I know how to say hello in British. But make sure to like this video if you want to see me say, if you want me to do some words in British. In the whole video. I'm choosing this house. Okay, guys. Okay. This is a house that I have, guys. So, I'm gonna keep this house. Kind of weird that it's goes all the way over there. But I am gonna add a pool because I love pools. It's about to be sunset. Actually, I'm not gonna play that. I'm not in the mood for it. Okay. And I will do a video on where the eggs may be. No, actually, I'm gonna play Royal High. No, just kidding. I need a break from Royal High. Okay, I'll come back when I find the egg. Okay, guys, I found the game. It's called Unofficial Egg Hunt. I basically love egg hunt, and here's one thing. I actually know that the real high thing is an egg hunt. Hold on, I'll be right back. Guys, I'm back. I didn't even find any Easter eggs yet. Okay. I found an egg. Oh, so I get a badge. No, 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 no! No, no, no! Egg. Wait. Can you take people's eggs? I hope not. No! I really hate this. Okay, of course everyone would find that egg. Not that egg, but... No! Why isn't it working? Mm-mm. What's in here? I skipped the other egg. There's so much obvious spots. It's a switcheroo, dude. No! It's impossible. Stop trying. I see one. I see one. I see one right there. Do we have to get double of those? How many eggs are they? We could be in this game for hours, actually. But, like, not for it. I'm not gonna do it before, like... Oh. I thought I saw an egg. Someone found the tree egg? Oh, come on. Where are these eggs? Oh my god. Nothing here? Really? I did that for nothing. Oh my god! That is how you do it? Oh my god, I feel so dumb. Oh yes, I found it. I thought this was like a normal house or something. Is that a code? Oh my god. Oh my god. Theirs has to be code 456. 456. 4, 5. What? We have to go through this? Well, I'm an expert as obbies. So I'm sure I won't die. Yeah, see, it's at the end. Oh my god, hold on. I need to open some candy here. Ow. Oh. Ow. Okay. I have the power now. Okay. Go to spawn. Oh my god. So I can find the eggs in this area. Oh! Oh my... I have claimed so many eggs. But how do we get outside? Oh. The broken window! Oh my god, this is so amazing. Oh, now I go. Yeah, I wanna fall. Okay. I found an egg. Oh, I found another one. Oh, now I gotta climb this again. Did you hear why? Pretty sure you did. Comment which movie you think it is. Oh my god, okay, I really hate this, because you just, oh, a piece of a puzzle. We're supposed to get some puzzles too. Easter basket. Don't go in there. Oh, so that's a portal. Oh my god. Wait, I feel like something's in here. Oh, there is. Yeah, this is the rainbow egg. Oh my god. Guys, I'm gonna end this off right here. Make sure to like and subscribe. Comment if you think I'm gonna finish this. And I'll make a part 2. And make sure to like, and bye!